Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow backlinks on this site. So the website name is Linktr.ee. So in this video we will follow the exact process, best process to we can create and optimize our profile on this site. So this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can show something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 93. And according to Moch, the domain authority is 93 and the spam score is only 2%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 186.2 million traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Brazil, Indonesia, UK, Canada and another countries. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, so must you guys can create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So simply you guys can click on this sign up free button, and there you guys can add your email address and you guys can choose your password. So there I can use a suggested password, and after that I can click on the create account button. Once you guys can complete these things, then after that you guys can optimize your profile landing page URL. So there you guys can add your username, and after that you can click on the continue button. So you can see they can asking us for the monthly or annual things. So let me see if is there any option to we can. So you guys can see there is a free option. You guys can select your free option and you can click on the join for free. And you will see there is a template. So if you're wanting, so you can choose any of template for your. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Business. So let me select this one. I can skip all the things. So then after that I can select my Instagram social channels. So there you guys can select your social accounts. So website and the Facebook and the, is there any LinkedIn option? So LinkedIn option is not available, I think. So then after that I can click on the continue button. So there I can add our a username. So Instagram username is pravindra.dms. So let me add our username, and there I can add our YouTube username. So let me skip these things. Then after that what I can do, so let me select the profile title. So there you guys can add your profile, your company name. So DML training, and there you guys can add your company description. So let me copy this and I can add it, and after that you can click on the, and you guys will upload your profile picture, and after that I can click on the crop and upload button. So now I have added all the things. So let me add, so there you guys can add your short description. So short description, it should be this one. So under 80 characters, so might be you guys can add your index page title, and after that you can click on the continue button, and this site can send you a verification email. So I guess we have verified now. I think not. So let me check. So you can see we received a verification email. So first we can verify our profile. So sign in to continue, and you will see this is our profile. So this is all the details. So let me add our Instagram. So we have added Instagram URL. So let me add our YouTube URL. Why this is a DML training. DML training, and there you guys can add your website URL. I guess there was technical glitch, so that's why these things are happening. And there we can add our Facebook URL. So we have added all the things. So if you're wanting to add any another URL, so you can simply click on the add URL button, and you guys will select your option. So from there you guys can select your social or anything, whatever you're wanting to add. So let me, I'm wanting to add a LinkedIn. So I might, there is a LinkedIn option is not available. So let me ignore these things. So now we have added all the things, and after that you guys will see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can copy this landing page URL and I can show you in incognito. So it is instant approved backlink or not. So you guys will see it's 100% approved backlink, and I will show you this is no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink on the Linktr.com. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go on to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.